What's up guys, so today I'm with another video for you. We are going to download TikTok videos without watermark. So let's head to the TikTok app and we are going to select the appropriate video that we want to download. Let's just search for a video. So let's download this video here from this guy, and we're going to press on the arrow, which is the share button, and you're not going to share it to anybody. You're just going to copy the link for this video. Just press on copy link, and we are going to press on the home button to get out of TikTok. So we are going to go to your favorite browser. If you're using an iPhone, you can go to Safari and go to Google, or you're just going to use Chrome. So you're just going to type Snaptic, that is Snaptic, and you're just going to search for the site. So you're just going to click on the first option, which is TikTok video download, and paste the link that you had copied earlier for the video and press on download. So you're just going to choose the quality that you want. So I'm going to choose download HD and wait for a minute. Just going to cancel this ad. So you can see that the video has started downloading, but this site has some ads, so you're just going to allow to download multiple files. And that's it for the video today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.